If you don't like digging through BIOS menus but still want to play Faceit, you'll need to enable Secure Boot. Here's how to get it done, fast. Let's go. First, check if your PC is set up correctly. Press Windows plus R, type MSIinfo32, and hit Enter. Look for BIOS mode. It should say UEFI. If it says Legacy, you'll need to convert your disk to GPT before you can turn on Secure Boot. For that, check Disk Management or Microsoft's website. Next, restart with Advanced Startup. Settings, Recovery, and under Advanced Startup, tap Restart Now. On the blue screen, go to Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and UEFI Firmware Settings. Or, on Restart, hit F2, Delete, or ESC, whatever your PC uses. Inside BIOS, find Secure Boot under Boot or Security. Set it to Enabled. If it's grayed out, disable CSM first or reset Secure Boot keys. Save, exit, reboot. Check MSIinfo32 again. Secure Boot should now be on. Relaunch Faceit and get back in the game.